We're Rolling Square. We've been making cables for 10 years, and now we'll stop. But first, we'll make the last one, inCharge Life, the best cable ever made. But everyone says that, right? So why trust us?
Maybe because we spent the last decade obsessing over cables?
Maybe because we added a graphene layer to improve tear resistance and signal shielding, coated with a liquid silicone to protect internal wires even under extreme bending, top it off with a sturdy yet soft nylon braid combined with carefully engineered string relief system to keep the internal wires firmly welded to the PCB that's enclosed in a strong zinc aluminum alloy shell for maximum protection.
No, it's because we're so confident in inCharge Life
that if it ever breaks, we'll replace it for the rest of your life. No questions asked. You won't even have to send it back. It's just that simple. This is how it works. If your cable ever fails, cut it, show us, and we'll ship you a new one right away. Here's what makes it the last cable you'll ever need. First of all, it's not just a cable. It's a modular system. From 15 to 240 centimeters, all in one. 240 centimeters is not enough. We made a cable extender. With a cable extender, you can snap cables together up to 15 meters, and I'm sure that's more than you'll ever need. More devices? No problem. With a 2-in-1 cable, you can split the power and create your perfect setup. Need to transfer your clips? You can easily do it at 10 Gbps speed. And when you're on the go, you can always carry 240 watts of power right in your pocket. And remember, you're not just buying a cable. You're buying lifetime rights to own a cable. This isn't just another cable. This is the last one you'll ever own. Get yours now, and never buy another cable again.